So the next question, the stereochemical relationship between HA and HB of the following molecule. If we see this molecule, there are two ethyl groups in this molecule. So this molecule will have a plane of symmetry which will bisects this benzene ring, So the molecule is actually optically inactive. Now if we replace either HA or HB with another group, then there will be a stereogenic center here generate in this carbon. This carbon will be a stereogenic center, and then these two groups will be different, and due to this the plane of symmetry of the molecule will be lost, and it will show attrop isomerism, that is axial chirality will be shown by this molecule. And for this axial chirality, it may have configuration either R or S. Let's say it is R, and for this stereogenic center it may have configuration R or it may have configuration S. That means two isomers that will be result if we substitute HA or HB with an atom that are RR and RS. So these two are mutually diastereomer, and if the configuration due to axial chirality is S, and for this stereogenic center if it is R, then SR and or maybe SS, these two will also be diastereomer, and that's why HA and HB are mutually diastereotopic. The next question, the synthetic equivalent of a given synthon. So this synthon is given. What will be its synthetic equivalent? Let's say the synthon is this acyl cation. So what will be its synthetic equivalent? We may use acid chloride or acyl chloride to get this acyl cation, or this acid chloride from which we will get this we will get this acid chloride from this carboxylic acid, and this carboxylic acid we will get from alkyl cyanide. So from alkyl cyanide we will get this synthon acyl chloride. Now if R is a tertiary butyl group, as we know that tertiary butyl group produce stable carbocation, so it will be easily removed and a negative charge will generate at this carbon. Let's say this is plus, so if it is removed, then a minus charge will can be easily generated by using this tertiary butyl group as R. So we may get this from this. So we can say in another way that the alkyl cyanide, when R is a tertiary butyl group, that means tertiary butyl cyanide, this can be used as the synthetic equivalent of this. So the next question, the major product formed in the following reaction. This is an epoxide which is treated with HClO4, perchloric acid. So epoxide ring will be opened up. Oxygen with its lone pair will attack 1H plus, will be taken, and it will be converted to OH plus. Now as this double bond, as this pi bond will stabilize the incipient positive charge here, so the ring will open up from this carbon, and the product will be, it will be OH, and here is a positive charge. Now what will happen, here a pinnacle type rearrangement will take place. That means one hydride shift will take place, 1,2 hydride shift. So what will happen, it will be a keto, and here is the double bonds. Now it will undergo a rearrangement reaction, and one hydrogen will, it will be rearranged to a more stable conjugated enone. So that will be the product. This is a rearrangement reaction. Rearrangement will take place and it will be form a more stable conjugated dienone. So the answer will be this. So guys, if you have any doubt regarding this video, please let me know in comment box.